Today we're going to be making some Tutti Fruity cake. In my opinion, this is one of my favorites that my mom makes for us. First, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Let's sift. Sift it until there's literally just little balls of stuff that looks like rice that's left.
I've added 1 cup of plain flour and 1 cup of multigrain flour.
Probably explains the rice looking stuff.
And then we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Next, we're gonna add half a cup of sugar.
No, 1.5 cup of sugar.
1.5 cup of sugar.
You can add less if you want.
Now we're gonna mix. And just so that the Tutti Fruity stuff doesn't stick together, we're gonna mix it with some flour. Next, we're gonna add some butter.
Yeah, that's I think 115 grams of butter.
And then we're gonna add 2 eggs.
Eggs needs to be in room temperature.
And now we're gonna mix. Now we'll add some milk, and it'll make it look really soft and fluffy.
Yeah, 120 ml of milk.
And a little more. Add the Tutti Fruity and mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it. Now you can add in a baking tray with obviously your baking foil and stuff and put it in. You can also add some more Tutti Fruity on the top and some more flour if you want as well.
You can also add nuts
or whatever fruit you would like.
And then bake it for I had to bake it for 60 minutes at 180 degrees.
And that's it.